Exactitude reports latest published Automotive Wiring Harness Market 2022, Rising Business Opportunities and Global Trends to 2029. A wiring harness in an automobile is a collection of wires, terminals, and connectors that run throughout the car to transport data and power. Electronic components in today's automobiles perform a variety of functions in addition to the basic activities of moving, turning, and stopping. Wiring harnesses are critical for controlling electrical components and transmitting power and signals throughout the vehicle. Global automotive wiring harness market is expected to grow at more than 4.9% CAGR from 2022 to 2029. Few of the important automotive wiring harness market players are THB Group, Lear Corporation, Furakoa Electric Co., Ltd., Nixans Auto Electric GmbH, and many others. Key highlights: automotive wire harness is designed to link various sections of a vehicle, such as the body, engine, dashboard, chassis, and others, according to electrical and dimensional requirements. To ensure basic operation and better safety, an automobile wire harness allows control signals and electrical power to be transmitted to electronic and electrical equipment in the vehicle. Wire harnesses bundle several wires into non-flexible bundles, making them safer than loose wires and reducing the chance of electrical circuit shorts. Furthermore, the global automotive wiring harness market segmentation is divided by component, and by application. Asia-Pacific held the largest market share in the global automotive wiring harness market, and it is projected to grow at a steady pace of 34% during the forecast period. Thank you for watching us. For more information, visit us at exactitudeconsultancy.com.